Hey guys, Adam from Lazy Guy DIY, and this week we're going to show you how we built this bench with planters on either side here. Just use angle iron and cedar pickets and pressure treated wood, so it's a pretty simple build, but we needed a few tools along the way from our friends at Diablo, so I'm going to show you those tools, and if you want the full build plans for this, make sure you head out to lazyguydiy.com. All right, let's check this out. So adding metal to a project seems like it could be a little intimidating to some folks, but it's actually pretty easy, and they sell this angle iron at your big box store. What I'm doing is marking on the frame right now exactly where I'm going to drill these holes and then the length I'm going to cut it to. But believe me, pants are required no matter what my son says here. He's 1 year old. He doesn't know what he's talking about. Don't listen to him. You need pants when you're working with metal. Anyway, we're transferring over the marks to these 8 legs that we're going to put these holes into and then mount later on after we prep them. But first we're going to use a step bit from Diablo Tools, and I'll show you how easy it is to put holes in these. I use a metal punch here to prep the surface. That makes it a little easier to use the step bit and make sure I'm more accurate where I'm putting the hole. I add a little mineral oil as well, and that keeps the bit from burning out or overheating and keeps it lasting a little bit longer. So get started and just apply a little bit more, and really these things just take off and drill right into this 1/8 inch angle iron, no problem. 2 holes in 16 of these, not an issue. Next, I'm going to use a steel demon blade here just to show you how easy it is to cut angle iron with a circular saw. This blade has been used a ton, so it's a little bit dull, so that's why there's so many sparks here. What I'm going to do is swap it out. I'm going to use another metal and wood blade, and it's just one that you can cut nail embedded wood, and it cuts right through. That's not sped up, that's real time. Next, I'm going to use a Diablo reusable standing block, and this is just to rough up the surface a little bit and make sure my paint's going to adhere. And this is nice, you can swap out the grit on these, no problem. And then I'm going to apply a little bit of paint, and this is just a Rust-Oleum, perfect for using on metal. It'll seal it up so it doesn't rust. And next, what I had to do for the base is I had to do a little cutout here for the planter pot, and this is a rough end saw blade, and it works basically like a jigsaw would. Use it right for a reciprocating saw, and cuts perfectly, no issue. All right guys, hopefully these tools from Diablo make it a little bit easier to work with angle iron. It's not that intimidating to use something like steel angle iron when you can use these things and pick them up from the Home Depot. Makes your job so much easier. So hopefully you enjoyed this, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. That's Lazy Guy DIY, and give it a thumbs up too. That always helps with the videos. So if you want full build plans for this bench and planters, you can head to lazyguydiy.com. I will make sure I link all that here in the notes. And then if you see behind me also, that's the planter with compost bins in there. I'll have links to that as well. So hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time.